Of Kṣitigarbha Bodhisattva's original vow. Chapter 12. Benefits Derived from Seeing and Hearing. The Buddha replied to the Bodhisattva contemplator of the world sounds, "You have great affinity with the Saha world. If gods, dragons, men, women, spirits, ghosts, or any other beings who are suffering for offenses within the 6 paths hear your name, see your image, behold you or praise you, they will definitely become irreversible on the unsurpassed way. They will always be born among people and gods, and there experience wonderful bliss. When the effects of their causes come to maturity, they will encounter Buddhas who will give them predictions. You are now replete with great compassion and pity for beings, for gods, dragons, and the rest of the Eightfold Division. Listen as I discuss events involving the inconceivable benefits bestowed by Earth-Store Bodhisattva. Listen attentively. I will describe them for you." The contemplator of the world sound said, "So be it. World-honored one, I will be pleased to hear." The Buddha told the Bodhisattva contemplator of the world sounds, "In worlds of the present and future, gods whose heavenly blessings are ending may be manifesting the 5 signs of decay, indications that they may be about to fall into evil paths. When those signs appear, if those gods, whether male or female, see Earth-Store Bodhisattva's image or hear his name and gaze at him or bow once to him, their heavenly blessings will thereby increase. They will experience great happiness and will never have to undergo retributions in the 3 evil paths. How much more will that be the case for those who, upon seeing and hearing the Bodhisattva, use incense, flowers, clothing, food, drink, jewels, and necklaces as gifts and offerings to him? The meritorious virtues, blessings, and benefits they gain will be limitless and unbounded. Moreover, contemplator of the world sounds, in the worlds in the present and future, when beings in the 6 paths are on the verge of death, if they can hear the name of Earth-Store Bodhisattva, even the sound of it passing through their ears only once, such beings will never have to endure the sufferings of the 3 evil paths again. How much more will that be the case if the parents and other relatives use the houses, wealth, property, jewels, and clothings of such people who are on the verge of death to commission the carving or painting of images of Earth-Store Bodhisattva? If those sick people have not yet died, their relatives can try to help them see, hear, and understand that their houses, jewels, and so forth have been used for the carving or painting of images of Earth-Store Bodhisattva.